Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Cup Turners is probably one of the most exciting tools for anyone passionate about crafting personalized tumblers. These ingenious devices are designed to rotate your tumblers as the epoxy cures, ensuring a smooth, even finish every time. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, finding the right cup turner can significantly elevate your tumbler game. Number 5. LFSUM Cup Turner Kit, DIY Glitter Tumblers. This cup turner features a UL-certified motor with a PVC housing, ensuring silent and safe operation without overheating. It has a lengthened cord and an on-off switch for easy use. The slow spin speed is perfect for smooth and even epoxy resin drying. The turner has a thick and sturdy wood base with anti-slip rubber feet, preventing movement during rotation. The steering shaft is securely connected to the motor. It also includes a stretchy one-piece foam. This Cuptisserie turner requires no complex assembly. It only takes a few minutes to set up, with just a few screws needed. A screwdriver and user manual are included to help you get started quickly. The kit includes everything you need to start creating. It comes with a silicone epoxy brush, a silicone mat, a measuring cup, gloves, mixing sticks, a cup drying rack, and PVC tubes, ideal for beginners. Start your DIY glitter tumbler project today with confidence. It offers adjustable foams to fit most tumblers and mugs. Plus, it includes a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like? This cup turner features a silent and safe UL-certified motor, ensuring a smooth and even epoxy resin drying process. It's built with a sturdy wood base and comes with a complete kit, perfect for beginners. If you're just starting out with tumbler crafts and want a reliable and easy-to-use machine, you should consider this one. What people say. It does come with a wrench just in case. The silicone mat it comes with was super helpful. The cups it comes with are measuring cups, so definitely useful. Number 4. LFSUM 2X Cup Turner Kit, Rose Gold. This metal cup turner comes fully assembled, saving you time and effort. Simply insert the foam and start creating. It's perfect for various cup sizes, from 10 ounces to 30 ounces, making it ideal for any DIY project. The turner features 2 independent safety switches and a long power cord for convenience. You can easily cut off the power and move it around. The rotation direction is also easily changed with a simple switch. Crafted from high-quality metal with upgraded bearings, this cup spinner ensures smooth and quiet operation. The slip-resistant foam at the bottom adds extra stability, allowing you to enjoy crafting for hours without disturbance. The new design includes bearing balls to minimize noise and a power indicator switch for easy monitoring. The UL-certified silent motor prevents overheating, ensuring safe and reliable performance. Start your DIY glitter tumbler project today. The kit includes adjustable foams for various tumblers and mugs. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty. Contact us with any questions. What we like? This cup turner is ready to go right out of the box, saving you time and effort. It has independent safety switches and operates with low noise, making your crafting experience more enjoyable. If you value convenience and a quiet workspace, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It holds up to multiple uses. It's fast for making your tumblers and wine cups. Easy to put together and use. Wish it came with more sizes of sponge inserts for vases. But they give you one. Love they have a screw to keep the tube from rotating off machine. Very quiet, slow and smooth rotator. I love using it. Number 3. Tumbler Turner Starter Kit for Beginners. This starter kit has everything you need to create beautiful, glittery tumblers. It includes a handheld mixer, epoxy resin, a heat gun, glitter, and more. It's perfect for beginners looking to start a new hobby or business. Not only can you make glitter pens, but also epoxy cups. The kit provides all the essentials. It's designed to make the tumbler making process simple and enjoyable. The heavy-duty machine ensures stability, while the rotation speed evenly distributes the epoxy. This makes the process easier and gives you a great DIY experience. The turner is made of high-quality metal with upgraded bearings for reduced noise. The design allows for a long-lasting, low-noise crafting experience. The handheld mixer has 3 adjustable speeds for efficient mixing. It minimizes bubbles and is easy to operate, saving you time and effort. It's perfect for any resin art project. The silicone paddles are non-stick and reusable, making cleanup easy. They minimize bubbles while mixing epoxy resin and other viscous liquids. The paddle collet can be replaced freely. What we like? This kit is not just for tumblers, it also includes a handheld epoxy mixer and glitter powders, offering a complete solution for various crafts. It features a professional epoxy mixer with adjustable speeds, ensuring perfect results every time. If you're looking for a versatile kit to explore different crafting techniques, you should definitely consider this one. What people say? It doesn't overheat and my cups turn through the night, and it turns in both directions. I use this turner for lots of Christmas crafts and it still works perfectly. If you are wanting to try tumblers, then this is for you. It gives you everything to get started for the price of what the tumbler turner normally costs by itself. Number 2. LFSUM 4-arm cup turner for crafts. This upgraded cup turner is made of solid metal with metal bearings, ensuring a stable and quiet operation. It features a 2-way rotation and independent switches for each cup, giving you full control over your crafting. Designed to hold multiple cups simultaneously, this turner speeds up your crafting process. This allows you to create more tumblers in less time, making it perfect for larger projects. Based on user feedback, this turner includes a drying rack to help you dry your finished tumblers. This allows you to work on more tumblers and grow your business. This metal cup turner comes fully assembled, saving you time and effort. It includes various size foams to fit tumblers between 1.8 inch to 3.5 in diameter, protecting them from slipping. The product has been upgraded based on customer feedback, offering optimized structure and function. If you need any support, please don't hesitate to contact us. We will resolve any of your problems within 12 hours. What we like? This cup turner allows you to work on multiple projects simultaneously, making your crafting process faster and more efficient. The design includes 4 independent switches and a sturdy base for quiet and stable operation. If you're a serious crafter looking to increase your productivity, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say? It is lightweight and has a handle that makes moving or transporting it easy. The turner comes already assembled and has extra parts for just in case. The motor is silent and each turner has its own power switch. Number 1. Creative Cuptisserie Cup Turner. This cup turner features 2 independent switches, allowing individual control of each arm. The long power cord provides flexibility in positioning and easy power cutoff. This design enhances safety and convenience. The machine uses a professional, silent motor operating at 110-120 V. It features an upgraded balance steering system to minimize noise. Heat dissipation holes prevent overheating, ensuring smooth operation. It offers both clockwise and counterclockwise rotation options. This allows you to customize the turning process to suit your preferences. You can even work on projects with friends. The included foam inserts are designed to fit cups from 10 ounces to 40 ounces. The set includes 2 large and 1 small foam piece. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of tumbler sizes. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes wands, support plates, foams, tools, and mounting hardware. Contact us via email if you have any issues. What we like? This cup turner features independent switches for each arm and a professional motor for smooth and quiet operation. It comes with practical accessories, including wands and foams, to help you create unique cups. If you like to customize your tumblers and want a reliable and user-friendly machine, you should consider it. What people say? The turner is very quiet. The motor is strong and turns the tumblers with ease. The turner is well made and sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.